What's up, guys? We are doing another intermittent fasting video. This is series 6. So welcome again. Today we're talking about the eat, stop, eat method. So basically, it is different than the others. Please go back and watch the others if you haven't watched them yet, but this is part 6 of the series. So there's different types of intermittent fasting. Most people think it's just skipping breakfast, which is not true. That's just one form, normally known as 16-8. This is the eat, stop, eat method. And this is different than the last video I did, which is the 5-2 method. So let's get to it. Hi, I'm David, if you don't know who I am. I am a master trainer looking to get people healthy, and I enjoy it. It's my passion. And thank you for stopping in. Now, let's get to the eat, stop, eat. And what that entails is essentially 2 days a week, you would fast 24 hours. You can actually start with one, but it can be basically 24-hour fasting period. So make sure you can at least do that once or twice a week. Now, this is different than the 5-2 method, that basically you can eat 500 to 600 calories on your fasting days. This is a complete fast. So a complete fast, you have to realize this. It's totally different in that regard. And some people think or say that from experience that when they do the 5-2 method, the 500 calories just is a trigger for more food. So this may be a better program if you want something once a week, twice a week, and it won't trigger, because actually when you're fasting after the third hunger pang, it's essentially an appetite suppressant. So if you can just make it through that initial stage, you'll get the hang of it and it'll be nothing, okay? It'll be very easy, actually, easy. So let's go on, just dive in to this eat, stop, eat method. So remember, there's 3,500 calories to 1 pound of fat. So typically a 2,000 calorie diet, if you take out 2 days of eating, okay, 2 days of eating, you would literally shave off 4,000 calories, okay, if you did it twice a week. So that is significant, and 1 pound of fat is 3,500 calories. So you could do as much as 4,000 calories on a 2 day a week fast. But be sure when you eat that, so for example, it would be like 7 o'clock on Sunday, 7 p.m. on Sunday. You can start that night and go to Monday, 7 p.m. So that could be your fasting window. Now, you can drink water, you can drink some things during the day, but make sure you are fasting. That will clean out your whole body, kind of cleanse your system. Your digestion will catch up. You'll feel more invigorated. It'll actually, you'll be pleasantly surprised at the benefits you will derive from this. Those of you that have not fasted, it's a great thing to put into your regimen. So guys, also, when you're doing this diet, let's get nutrient dense foods that are actually good for you, that actually will do something for your body. And there's also, there's a difference between just eating okay, healthy, and then eating right and eating like you should to get the body you desire. Because you have a certain macronutrient ratio for your lean muscle mass to get what you need to build muscle. Some people like to do their body weight times 10 to get their caloric. And then if you want to go a little down, you can do that. You can go like 300 to 500 calories and be in a deficit. But with the eat, stop, eat, you really don't have to do that. That's the beauty of this program, is the 2 day a week fast or 1 day a week. Maybe start with 1 day a week, and then you might like it and you can see, oh, I can do 2, but you may only need 1. And that may be everything you need for that whole thing to feel good. Okay, so the eat, stop, eat diet's got a lot of benefits you just really have to know about. type 2 diabetes is better on these kind of diets, they've shown. I think you also get better digestion, you get things utilized better, and you just feel better. You feel more energetic. So many people go on diets and they just cheat here and there, and cumulatively it adds up over the week. On this diet or this schedule, you don't have that problem. You literally, you just can't eat for 2 days. Just that's it. So during the week, you have to make sure you don't put on the calories by binging and eating, but just drink more water. Drink more water, number one. Most people don't do. Most people walk around dehydrated and they don't even know it, or they're just a little bit not dehydrated, but they need more water every day. Water is so crucial. Your muscles are 70% water. So imagine if they don't have enough water, how are you going to feel good in the gym and to work out properly? So let's definitely get your water. The benefits will speak for themselves once you dive in this program. Please dive in, let me know in the comments, and I'll see you next time.